Good afternoon, students. Today we study exercise 1.1. Question is state truth values of the statement, and if it is statement then justify. 5 plus 4 equal to 13. It is a statement, but we know that 5 plus 4 is not equal to 13. Therefore, its truth value is capital Y. Second one, close the door. Close the door. It is not a statement because we know that it is an imperative sentence, and imperative sentence is not a statement. It is not a statement. 0 is a complex number. It is a statement and its truth value is capital T. A quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. We know that the quadratic equation, the general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the power is 2. That means it has 2 roots. Therefore, its truth value is capital T. Do you like mathematics? It is also imperative sentence, and therefore it has no truth value, means it is not a statement. X square minus 6x minus 7 equal to 0. When x equal to 7, now we put x equal to 7 in the given equation. We get p of 7 equal to 7 square 6 into 7 minus 7 49 minus 42 minus 7 49 minus 49 equal to 0. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, its truth value is capital T. Now, question number 2 is write the given equation symbolically. First example is Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. We define it in atomic statement, that is let P Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Q Chennai is in symbolically. In the given compound statement, the word and is used. Therefore, in symbolically form, we can use in symbolically as P and Q. Next example, the angle is a right angle if and only if its measure is 90. We define here let P, the angle is right angle. We define P, and Q, its measure is 90. The angles measure is 90 degree. Therefore, symbolically we represent as if it is if and only if. Therefore, it is a biconditional P biconditional Q. Third example, x is not a rational number but square of an integer. We define let P x is a rational number. Negation P is x is not a rational number. Therefore, Q x is a square of an integer. Symbolically, we represent as x is not rational number but square of an integer. Negation P and Q. Here, the word but is used for a compound statement and. Now, we write the truth values. Questions number 3. We write the truth values. Number 1, 4 is odd or 1 is prime. We define in symbolic form let P 4 is odd, Q 1 is prime. Symbolically we write as P or Q, but we know that 4 is not an odd number, it is a even number. Therefore, its truth value is Y. 1 is also not a prime number. Therefore, its truth value is Y. Therefore, F or F, we know the table of OR means disjunctions. F or F is also F. Therefore, its truth value is F. Now, 5 is second example. 5 is prime number and 7 is divides 94. We also define P. 5 is prime number. Q 7 divides 94. Now, symbolically here use and, therefore P and Q. But we know that 5 is a prime number. Its truth value is capital T. 7 divides 94 does not divide 94. Therefore, its truth value is Y. Therefore, P and Q represent as T and Y. But we know that the truth table of conjunction T. But here T and Y. Therefore, the truth value is Y. Third example, it's a root. It is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. Let P 5 minus 3i is a real number. But we write that it is not true. Therefore, negation P means 5 minus 3i is not a real number. It is not true that 5 minus 3 is a real number. We know that 5 minus 3 is a real number, but it is a complex number. Therefore, its truth value is capital T. Negation P is negations T. Therefore, its truth value is capital R. Now, milk is a white if and only if sky is blue. We define P. Milk is white. Q. Sky is blue. Therefore, as it is if and only if, therefore symbolically it represents as P biconditional Q. But we know that milk is always white, its truth value is capital T. Sky is always blue, its truth value is also T. Therefore, P biconditional Q means P biconditional T in the truth table of biconditional. If both the statements are false, if both the statements are true, then final statement is true. Therefore, its truth value is capital T. Its truth value is capital T. Next, question number 4 is, in this example we give the truth values of the atomic statements and we have to determine the truth value of the statement pattern. Now, P and Q are given truths and R and S are given as a false. So we have to find the truth values of the given statement pattern. To find the values of statement pattern, we write first P or Q and R as its truth value. What is truth value is given? P is given as T. Therefore, T or Q and R, T and R is F. Therefore, T or T and F acts. We know that the table of conjunction is T, T, T. Therefore, T and F is F. Therefore, we get T or F in disjunctions. If both the statements are false, then final statement is false, otherwise true. Therefore, equal to T. Therefore, its truth value is capital T. Now, second example. Similarly, we write the value of Q and R or negation P and S. Therefore, Q means T and F or negation P. Write negations of P means T or and S means F. We write first only, don't change any signs, write only the P, Q, R, S values. Q means T and F or negation T and negation T and F. Therefore, T and F is F or negation T means F and F. F or F and F. We know that in conjunctions both the statements are true, then final statement is true, otherwise false. Therefore, F and F is F. Therefore, F or F, it is a table of disjunction, and in disjunctions both the statements are false, then final statement is also false, otherwise true. Therefore, equal to F. Next example, negation P and Q and negations R, or Q implies P and negation S or negations R. Now, example number 3, negation P and Q and negations R or Q implies P. We write the values as given above. Negation of P means T and Q means also T, and negations R means F or Q means T implies negation S means F, negation F or R means F. negation T means F and T, and negation F means T, or T implies T, implies negation F means T or F, equal to F and T means in table conjunctions T T T, otherwise false. Therefore F and T or T implies T means if the T F F otherwise true, therefore it is also true, implies T or F in or F F F, therefore it is also true. F and T means and means conjunctions T T both are truths, then final statement is truths, otherwise false, therefore it becomes F or T implies T. F or means F F F, otherwise true, T implies T implies T, therefore its truth value is capital T. Now example number 4 is given that negation P and R or yes implies negation Q by conditional P and R. We translate by given T and F, the equation becomes negations T and F, or F implies negations T by conditional T and F, implies negations P, T and F, or F implies negations T means F by conditional T and F. Negations of T and F, if both the statements are true, then final statement is true. Therefore T and F is, both the statements are true, then final statement is true, otherwise false. Therefore it becomes F or F implies F. If first is T, second is F, then one way implication T F F, otherwise true. Therefore it becomes T by conditional T and F. If both the statements are true, then final true, otherwise it becomes F. Therefore negations of F or T by conditional F, negations of F or T in or means in disjunctions both the values are F, then final values are F. Here both the values are not F, therefore its value is T by conditional F. Negations T is F by conditional F. In by conditional we know that if both the statements are false or both the statements are true, then final statement is true, therefore it's true. Therefore the given statement pattern, its truth values is capital T. Its truth value is capital T. Last question is write the negations. First given that Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. We have to write the negations. We know that the definition of negations, if we write it is false that before the given statement, then we get the negation of the given statement, or if we write not at appropriate place in the given statement, then we get the negation of the given statement. But in symbolic form, how we write, we can see. Let P is a statement, Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Its negation P is Tirupati is not in Andhra Pradesh. Or we can write negation P is it is false that Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Now second example is 7 plus 3 is greater than 5. We define as P statement 7 plus 3 is greater than 5. Negation P is 7 plus 3 is not greater than 5. That is negation P, we can write 7 plus 3 is less than 5. Thank you.